We heal with zeal.
Together we navigate
New frontiers.
Oh no, this history! Yeah, so many assignments are there in history and I have very less time. When I will complete it?
Viraj, what are you studying?
Papa, I am doing my history assignment.
What? Are you joking? Don't you remember your last time's maths marks? You got so less. Why are you wasting your so much time on this history and easy subject?
Why are you always behind me? Let me take my own decisions. I'm not a kid anymore. Just leave me alone.
Look at him. Is this the way he should talk to his father? Hey, come here right now. Give me the explanation of your behavior.
Friends, we all are familiar with these kind of situations. When things don't go their way, teen gets angry. And as parent, we also get angry. And it becomes a very uncomfortable situation to be in. So today, in this video, we will decode teen anger and learn about the chill skills. Anger is a normal part of adolescence. It can be a healthy emotional response to outside stresses. Adolescents face many emotional issues during their development. They are faced with the questions of identity, relationship, and purpose. Also, the relationship between teen and parents is always changing as teens are becoming more and more independent. Why teens are so moody? Teens' mood change very quickly because of their developing brain. They are not always able to quickly handle their changing feelings, and this leads to oversensitivity. Why we need to address this issue of teen anger? Anger can be a very challenging emotion for many teenagers as it often masks the underlying emotions such as embarrassment, frustration, sadness, fear, and hurt. And because they are not able to control or handle these emotions, teenagers become angry. Common triggers for teen anger are low self-esteem, bullying, persistent and unhealthy peer pressure. We need to understand that anger is an emotion, not a behavior. Its negative expressions can include physical violence, verbal abuse, antisocial behavior, addiction, withdrawal, and self-harm. Teen anger can affect their productivity, their happiness, and also strain their relationships. Anger can have effects on physical and mental health of teenagers. It can cause symptoms like headache, fatigue, increased heart rate, increased blood pressure, tightening of chest. Long-term effect can cause problems with memory and concentration. Teen anger can also lead to anxiety and depression. Hence, friends, we need to take this challenge of helping our teens cope with these emotions and deal with anger in a constructive way. Let's see what as a parent we can do to help these teens. Most important thing is to listen carefully. Listen carefully to understand them. Don't judge them. Listen to the tunes, not the words. When your teen is angry and saying, "I hate you," leave me alone. We need to listen it as I'm very much upset and trying to handle it myself. Don't always try and win the argument. The second and most important thing is it's important we control our own anger. If we are losing our temper, we can't help them. As difficult as it can sound, we need to maintain calm body and calm voice. We need to be calm and balanced. If we stay calm, we can handle any situation. This behavior also models for teenager what you exactly expect. Practice unwavering respect. To have authority with your teenager, you need to be respectful. Respect for them puts you in a very powerful position as a parent. Respect is something you choose to do. It's not necessarily something that somebody deserves. In managing teen anger, it is important to set appropriate limits and enforce them. When teenagers are angry, they may become destructive and hurtful. Hence, it is important for parents to set some rules as they are responsible for everyone's safety. We need to create rules about what behavior is acceptable and what behavior will not be tolerated. Discuss the potential academic, social, and legal consequences of aggressive behavior with your teenagers. During an anger outburst, give your teen space to retreat. Don't follow them and demand explanation and apology. This may prolong the anger. The last and most important tip for parents is role modeling. When you are upset or angry, you start yelling and throwing things, then don't expect your teen to control their anger. Why I am feeling like this? Why I am angry and irritated all the time? Nobody understands me. Nobody can relate what I am going through. These are questions and feelings in teenagers' mind when they are angry or upset. Let's see how teenagers can handle their anger better by these tips. First and foremost, it's important you recognize your anger. There are few signs your body will give when you get angry, like you start sweating, increased heart rate, feeling hot, clenched fists, etc. When you are angry, you need to remove yourself from the situation to cool down. Deep breathing exercises and counting numbers can also help control your emotions. The most important tip for teenagers is find your own ways to cool down. It can be anything. Go for a walk, read a book, listen to music, dance to your favorite song, write down your thoughts, draw or paint, talk with your friend, anything that cools you down. But it's very important when you are angry, you should never let your anger hurt the people around you and also yourself. Friends, it's important to understand them and love them no matter what. I hope this small video will help you in some way. Let's see, friends, whether these tips have helped our father-son duo.
Viraj, what are you studying, beta?
I am doing my history assignment.
Why history? Such an easy subject. You forgot last time you got maths less marks? Why don't you practice more?
Why are you always behind me? Just let me take my own decisions. I'm not a kid anymore. Leave me.
Beta, I think you are upset. Take your own time. We'll talk later.
Oh shit. I think I just overreacted. I must say sorry to Papa.
How are you feeling better now?
Better, Papa. I did my maths in the afternoon. But I need to say something.
What, beta?
I'm really sorry for my behavior earlier.
It's okay, beta. I can understand. I know you were stressed at that time.